What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms, my official social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake IGs, YouTubes, and Telegrams out here going around scamming people. So before y'all send y'all money, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So I'm back again. Yes, I'm back again. And I'm going to show y'all and tell y'all how to get this $35,000 with poor credit. Yes, poor credit. And I'm not the one who's saying it. It's not my site. It's not my lender. No, it's out there. It's just people need to know where to go to get these loans. And people have to realize that everybody's not going to get approved for a loan or the loans that I put out here. It's a lot of different factors that play into getting approved for a loan, just other than your credit score. And I tell people this all the time. So a lot of people watch these videos and just try to jump and go apply for a loan. A lot of reasons why y'all don't get approved for these loans is, one, y'all don't really be knowing y'all credit score. Two, the credit score that you think you have isn't accurate because you're not paying to get it. You're getting a vintage 3.0 score and you think you got this high credit score. Three, you just don't know what your credit score is. Four, you don't have the right documentation or the right proof that you're going to be able to pay back this loan, because at the end of the day, they want to see if you're going to be able to pay back this loan. So if I make a video about a $35,000 poor credit loan, they want to be able to see that you're going to be able to pay back this $35,000 loan back in whatever terms that you have. And a lot of people haven't even made $35,000 in their life. A lot of people don't even have $35,000 worth of debt on their credit. A lot of people got over $35,000 of debt on their credit report that with delinquent payments and nothing going on. So before y'all jump to apply for these bad credit, poor credit loans, please get your credit reports and your documents and information in order before you go apply, because the things that I tell you will guarantee give you a better chance, advantage of getting these loans. All right, so y'all got to start paying attention. Pay attention to detail, all right? No one's just going to give you a loan because you have poor credit or bad credit. It doesn't work like that. They want to see that you're making this amount of money. You got this consistent amount of money coming in. They want to see certain things. They want to see that you really got a job, that you really got money coming in. They want to see that you're paying certain things off. They want to see how long certain things have been in existence. They want to see these things. And you guys don't have that. A lot of people don't have a bank account. So if you think you're going to go open up a bank account today and then tomorrow go apply for a $35,000 poor credit loan, it's not going to happen. But if I'm telling you, okay, first you need to do is you need to check out, see what your credit report is. And how do you get your accurate credit report? You need to go to Experian.com or Fico 10 and get your accurate credit report. It's like $24 a month, all right? Once you get your accurate credit report, you're going to make sure all your personal information is up to date, from name, number, email, address, all those things like that. Once that is up to date and you got that back and you make sure that's up to date, you're going to see all the collections that's on your credit report. All right, so the collections that you have, any collection account that's over 7 years or older is classified as being expired. All right, so those are going to be the ones that's going to be easier to get off your credit. Now you're cleaning your credit so you can be able to get these loans, because you instead of having bad debt, you want to have good debt on your credit report. So these collection accounts, you're going to freeze your 3 FICOs, your Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax accounts. And how do you go to do that? All you do is go to Google, type in TransUnion freeze, Equifax freeze, and Experian freeze, and it'll direct you to the sites. Easy as that. Once you set up everything, you freeze all 3 of your credit profiles. Then you're going to go back and dispute all of those collection accounts that's on your credit profile. Now, it takes up to 15 business days to start seeing results. So give it at least 2 weeks to start seeing results, maybe 2.5 weeks to start seeing drop-offs come off your report. So once you start seeing those drop-offs, and like I said, you can dispute those collection accounts either by phone, by mail, or by online. Online is when you go to the credit bureaus from Credit Karma or Experian, you should dispute that account, dispute all those accounts. You can get the credit letters to mail them in, or you can call them and discuss things. All right, so boom, that's how you clean your account. So now that you cleaned your credit report, you want to add good debt to your credit profile. The videos that I dropped yesterday, I dropped 5 sites that will literally boost your credit to at least 150 points to 200 points in as little as 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks. You just got to do it on time and do it the right way. And like I said, you got Credit Strong, you got Credit Rent Boost, and you got Trade Line Supply. And you also have, what's the other, my other site? Shop tradelines.com. All right, so those are all AU. Trade Line Supply and shoptradelines.com are all AU accounts. So what are AU accounts? Authorized users that you can piggyback off of, and it'll reflect on your credit. So if you get you a $50,000 AU account, that means this person has a $50,000 credit card, and they're going to add you as an authorized user. So now on your credit report, it's reflecting that you have a $50,000 credit card, but you really don't have a $50,000 credit card. You're just using them as a piggyback, as leverage, so you can get your own $50,000 credit card, right? So boom, once you got that reporting, once you got your credit strong trade lines on your report, once you're reporting other little things, now you got some good history on your credit report. Now you got some good debt being reported on your credit report. Now your credit report is looking good. Now it's like, okay, now you're doing something good. Now you got these open accounts, trade lines that's on your account that you're paying each month on time, and you now have an exceptional payment history. Okay, now you're getting somewhere. So boom. Anybody out there that's self-employed, now it's a lot of people out there that's self-employed, quote unquote, or don't have a job, but you, some way, somehow you come up with money. So you're self-employed, right? So boom. ADP, payroll provider, is how you're going to generate your money through those payrolls, through those paychecks, so it can show payment that you are getting paid and you're getting checks and it's being generated through that account. And that account is what you can link to certain banks and certain lenders so that they can see that you're really getting paid, you really have a job, and you're getting a check. All right, so ADP payroll provider, you sign up for them. You start, instead of like just saying I got money, you run your money through there and you send yourself a check, and you cash that check into whatever, either your bank or, you know what I'm saying? And now they're going to see payment history that you're really getting a check and you're really getting paid. Now you can prove that, all right? So once you got all those things going on, you're going to go to this site right here, all right? 5K Funds. Now 5K Funds, there were people reported excellent credit. APRs from 5.99 to 35.99%. All right, and the site that I'm about to show you was just updated today, so it's not like, oh, you showing this fake. No, y'all gotta understand, they're not going to give anybody a loan just because your credit is bad. You gotta have other things in order in place, and your credit report has to be in order for them to even think about giving you a loan. All right, just because you got a bad credit don't mean they're gonna just give you a loan. All right, so without further ado, let's check out 5K Loans and see how you can get this for $35,000 loan with poor credit. All right, so 5K loans. Loan amount from $100 to $35,000. Deposit directly into your bank account. APRs from 5.99 to 35.99%. Loan terms from 90 days to 72 months. Credit needed. Poor to excellent credit. Updated today, Wednesday, April 5th, 2023. All right, so overview. Quick cash you can use to pay off all those nagging debts. How would you like up to $35,000 in your pocket? 5K Funds can help you get the funds you need. You don't even have to leave your home. We can have extensive partnerships with large authorized lenders waiting to lend you the funds you need. All right, so they're going to link you with lenders. So it's probably link directly to all the lenders that will work with your credit report, your credit, and what you got going on with you. Everybody's situation is different. So loans up to $35,000. APR starting at 5.99. Quick decisions, conventionally over line, secure and hassle-free process, safe, secure, and trusted form. All right. So APRs, I just said that. Credit needed, reported excellent. All right. So you go to their site. So personal loans, 5K loans online form is a quick, secure, and hassle-free. You can fill out the online form in just a matter of minutes from the privacy of your home. All credit types accepted. There are many advantages with 5K funds. You can fill out an online form with any level of credit rating, from no rating to excellent, at 5K funds. I see your money in your account. Another incredible benefit is that your funds are deposited directly in your bank account and are accessible as quickly as the next business day. Basic loan requirements. So you must be at least 18 years of age, must be a U.S. citizen, must be employed or receiving a steady income, have a bank account with direct deposit as a plus. All right, so I just told y'all, ADP payroll provider. Run your money through there, get a paycheck, and just have that money be direct deposited into your account. All right, make it look good. You gotta make it look good. So how it works: 5K fund realizes that financial problems come unexpected and always at a bad time. We believe that lending should be made easy, fast, and not only rely on individuals' past history. We are here to help. The process starts with completing the online form. The online form must be completed accurately to make sure the funds are not sent to the wrong individual. Lenders use the information provided to verify your identity before sending you the funds. All right. One of the advantages of using 5K loans is that we have many lenders. So once you fill out the information, they're going to direct you, or they're going to link you to certain different lenders that work with your credit report. Everybody's credit report is not the same, right? So different lenders that have different lending methods. This means that you are more likely to be approved by the lender within our network because there are many more options available to you. Since each lender has their own lending policies, once approved, please be sure to read the disclosures and lending practices carefully before you sign and agree to loan. All right, so it's gonna be different people who deal with different stuff. All right, so once y'all get directed to those different lenders, don't shy away. They're just there to help you, because that, by the information that you entered into the data system, you're directed to them because they are the ones who are going to work with you. All right, so when all y'all be getting directed to those different lenders and stuff, y'all be like, man, this is a scam. They keep directing me, because those are the people who will work with you. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all looking into that. Without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. 5K funds. Yes, they'll give you up to $35,000, but you have to make sure your information is in order. A lot of people just watch my videos and jump up and try to go apply for a loan because y'all thirsty for money, and it's not going to work. You need to make sure you got your paperwork in order. It's like you got to have your paperwork in order to get a PPP loan. You got to have your paperwork in order to get all these other loans. So you just the same process with getting these loans. You got to have your paperwork in order, right? So make sure y'all do what I told y'all to do. Get y'all credit profile together. Add those trade lines. Once you add those trade lines and you start seeing those drop-offs, then you want to make it, you know what I'm saying, let it marinate for a second. Just let it marinate. Once it marinate, then you go apply for these loans. Get the ADP payroll provider. Run y'all money through that and get checks and have it direct deposited into y'all accounts, so it make it look good on paper. A lot of people don't have anything on paper. It has to look good on paper, all right? A lot of people, when it comes to finances and things on paper, it's looking real bad. And that's why y'all credit is not good. So you got to make it look good on paper, and that's how you get approved for these loans. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into 5K funds. Go check them out. We got poor credit. Yes, poor credit meaning 300 or better. Check in with them. They're going to help you out. They're going to direct you to certain lenders that's going to work with you, get paid, go invest, and be blessed. All right, so shout out to everybody that's been tapping in. Shout out to everybody that's been watching my videos, all my new subscribers, old subscribers that's been tapped in with King Hussle. Shout out to y'all, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained, so I'm going to continue to do it, all right? So shout out to y'all. Still look for people for the production company. Rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, cameraman, all right? So if you're a cameraman, you got a good camera, you're a real cameraman, not somebody that's inspiring to be a cameraman. I mean a real cameraman. That means if you write me saying you're a cameraman and I come check out your page, and you really shooting videos, you really directing and editing, that's what I'm looking for, all right? No disrespect to anybody out there that's looking and inspiring to become a cameraman, but at this point in my production company, I need somebody that's ready to rock and roll, because I got a lot of content and a lot of music videos and a lot of business that we got to be pushing out, and we got to be ready, all right? So I will be signing inspiring cameraman later, but right now I need real cameraman, not cameraman to take pictures, big music video cameraman that know how to edit and shoot the video. If you in Houston, Texas, tap in. Texas, surrounding areas or can travel, tap in, because I'm got a trip coming up for Memorial Day. We're going to Miami. We're gonna be doing a lot of music videos. We're gonna be doing a lot of just recording a lot of stuff. So tap in, let's win, let's get this money. Also, music reviews is $200. Once you pay your $200, I'm gonna check you out. You wanna come get your chain? You wanna come get your watch? Tap in. You're not gonna be able to go anywhere else. No A&R, no other record label. Like, hey, I'm the next best thing. I'm the hottest rapper. This and that. Sign me, and they're gonna sign you. No, it's never gonna work like that. No other record label is even gonna allow you to pay for you to hear them. Only person I know is allowing people to pay to you know what I'm saying, get seen and get the opportunity to be seen is the Authentic Empire, Boo Man and them over there. And a lot of people going over there. So you ready to be one of the real members, the founding members of Hussle Nation Empire, one of the first artists? Get your chain, get your watch, and start making real money, because that upfront money ain't always the best. It's that long run money. That long run money will put you in the position to win for the long run, all right? So always remember that. Tap in, let's win, let's get this money. Unlimited gems, $1,200 FaceTime 101s. Tap in, I'm going to teach you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars a day, at least $1,000 a day. You do that for a month, that's $31,000. I'm going to show you teach you about CPNs. I'm going to teach you about credit, building credit, cleaning credit, trade lines, loans. I'm going to teach you about credit cards. I'm going to teach you how to do a lot of different stuff. I'm going to teach you how to really generate $1 million, all right? So tap in, get y'all FaceTime Unlimited gems, $1,200. Also, book your seat right now in the crypto tour. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. So you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. $500 deposit. Once you pay your deposit, we're going to pick the date, and we're going to set it up, and we're going to go from there. Make sure you got your the rest of the payment together. Also, I'm doing mentorships, $2,500. That's a step under the in-person limited gems. You want to get under my wings? You want me to teach you how to really run up a bag, get rich, show you documents, give you documents, help you make pages and things like that? Tap in with me. Mentorships, $2,500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Anybody, please understand, if you're not ready to purchase a lesson or handle business, and you write me on IG, 9.8 times out of 10, I'm not going to respond. All right, so please have your money together and ready when you write me on IG. And I have a strict format how I want you to order, how you're supposed to contact me. All right, so the format is, when you contact me, please tell me what you want, the price, and your payment method. And the payment methods are Cash App. The money that you're paying must be on your Cash App balance, not linked to a card that's on your Cash App. It has to be on your Cash App balance, or it will not go through. All right, so make sure your money, your payments is on your Cash App balance. Make sure you send me a screenshot of the money being on your Cash App balance, and make sure you're ready to purchase and get what you need so we can get to work. All right, a lot of people out there that window shop and waste time, and don't nobody got time for that. So be understanding with that. And y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.